This is a cast iron cleaning piece. It has these chains that are attached to it that go around it here so that you are able to have a good amount of pressure with this whole handle to have a good amount of leverage on the whole cast iron and to be able to basically scour the whole pan. So whether it be a cast iron wok, a cast iron pan, cast iron grill, or grate, this helps you to clean the whole cast iron piece safely and effectively. We all know with cast iron, there can be a lot of built up food particles, and it's just hard. You just can't do it with a normal soft bristled brush. It just won't do it. So this is a really heavy duty cleaner, scraper, to be able to effectively clean off all of the burnt on or left on debris and food on your cast iron. This then, after using this, you're able to, if you need to go back over it with a softer sponge to get off the little fine particles, you can do that. But this is going to break down all of those thick, really built on food pieces without having to break your arm and put in a ton of elbow grease. This does a really effective job. Just kind of see close up. It has a lot of chains that overlap each other. Very well designed. The handle is super soft, and you've also got a hole on the handle so you can hang it afterwards. You can put it on a little hook or have it drying or just hanging for ease of storage. But the handle is like a soft rubber. It has some flexibility to it, not a ton, but it does have some. So it makes it super comfortable to hold and get a good grip on overall. Highly, highly recommend this. If you have cast iron in your house, you need to have this.